Today I'm going to be teaching you three things. 1. Where to go to download Node.js. 2. How to install it on your computer. 3. How to check if you've installed Node.js correctly. So let's get started. First, you need to go to nodejs.org. Now go down to the download Node.js button. After clicking that, you can download Node.js. On the top right, if you're using Chrome, then you can see the download starting. It's a small file, so it won't take long. After the download is complete, just click on the installer to start the installation. The setup wizard will open and it will start checking if you meet the installation requirements to install Node.js or not. After it's done checking, it's going to show you the license agreement. You have to accept it. Click the checkbox and press next. After that, it's going to show you where to install Node.js. You can change the location or keep it as it is. Then press next. Now, you don't need to mess around with the custom setup. Just press next. You don't need to click the checkbox. Just press next. Now click install to install Node.js. I'm going to cancel this installation because I've already installed this. Now I'm going to check whether my installation of Node.js was successful or not. So I'm just going to open up the PowerShell. Remember to subscribe if you want to keep watching more tutorials related to Node.js. To open up the PowerShell anywhere, I'm going to open it up here. To do that, just press Shift and then right click. You will see Open PowerShell window here. And it'll take a little time to start up. Here we go. Now to check whether Node.js was successfully installed or not, I am just gonna type in node space -v and press enter. And it's saying that I have Node version 20.10.0. So Node is successfully installed on my machine. That's it. That's simple. Remember to subscribe if you want to keep watching more tutorials related to Node.js, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.